begins with the drive, the rhythm, the focus. Then, something shifts. You learn the car, then the craft. And somewhere in between, you stop being just a driver. You become something else. Focused, fast, precise. You become a racer.
The Porsche Track Experience was an opportunity to get into racing. After testing out the cars, I realized that the leap from just driving around and doing laps to actually getting into racing, and they offered the best experience that was possible.
The line between driver and racer, it starts here, with the right team, the right car, and the mindset to match.
It goes from the psychological down to reviewing data after each session. They're there every step of the way.
We have another instructor car, and the car can follow or lead the customer, which is the closest possible coaching that you can imagine.
The most surprising part was being actually fast. I came in with low expectations as to what I might be able to achieve, and I actually find myself quite competitive.
The rate of progress that we're able to achieve in this program is really amazing. Podiums are always the best moment.
So racing makes me feel focused. I love the feeling of flow that I have in the car. I love the challenge of learning and overcoming all the obstacles that we have.
The moment you leave the garage and you press your foot to the accelerator, nothing else matters. It all comes down to you.
Every racer starts somewhere. From your first lap with the Porsche Track Experience to your first podium. This is more than driving. It's the start of something bigger. Your goals, your speed, your story. Make it yours.